everyone. You can hear me. Okay, I think that's better. Yeah. Hello. Let's put some gain on the microphone. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Ah, that's better. Yes. Okay, no suppression. Okay. Hello. Hi. Yeah. Okay. Welcome everyone to this stream. Today I'm going to be working on a project that I have. It's a long project that I've been working. I don't know if you can see my After Effects. Let's see one thing. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So this is the project. I have some things that I have made, but as you can see, it's pretty raw. I had to start to do some deep things, like trying to make this tornado move or something like that. This one, okay, that's better. I have a few things that I can maybe do first, so I can save some time. So let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Where is my... Okay. Here we are. Okay, first... Oh, here I have a storyboard. Maybe I can export it here. Let's see. Okay. No. That's one of the things that I have to try to figure out, is how to look all a PDF, all the things on it. So okay, let's go. Fine, let's start with this scene. This scene is like the easiest one. Here I have a sheep, because the main character of all the video is a sheep. There are some things that I don't know how to do, so you will see me like maybe trying to figure out what I can do, what I can maybe improve in my After Effects skills. So that's one thing. So let me show you the PDF where I have the storyboard, so we can understand each other better. This one, I don't know why the Photoshop it's open, but okay. Webcam, my camera. You can see that how I'm setting up my stream. Maybe here there are some things that I have to improve to setting this up, but okay. So we have this, we have what else? Okay, I have to open the file. Here it is. Firme está mi corazón. How do you say that in English? Remember. Okay, so we have PDF, we have a window that we want to capture, PDF file. Where is it? Here it is, but I can't see it anywhere. That's weird. WhatsApp, okay, after Twitter. Okay, I will show you here. So we have this. We have these three ships. This is raining, flooding, this is a tornado. And we have this one. This is the one that I want to start with. This ship is like jumping and running, and this one is reading the Bible. Yeah. I can start with this one. I have this asset somewhere else, so let's do that first. So I will change project and try to export that, so I can save some time, you know. Sometimes you have to save time with all of the things that you work with. So that's that there. Okay, let me see my, yeah. Okay, this was a project. Where is, I need the, well, this isn't, this one I think. Okay. This one is older. Okay, let's wait for it to open. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. So let's search for this one. This is the ship that I need. She has the Bible. She opens it up here. That could work, because we have to find the asset here. Reveal layer in source project. This is the ship that is going to be saved as like one file alone. Let's go to dependencies and reduce project. Okay, now I only have the ship. Good. Let's save it. Save as, and this is ship with book. I have character folder for this project. It's like a big project, so maybe that can work here. Welcome to everyone, to all the people that it's coming to my stream. Okay. So I think one moment. Okay, we're ready. So I have to change to the project that I will work today. Yeah, this is the one. I don't have to. We will have to see the ship here. So I'm going to get in the layer, the scene. This little messy. So let's order this. So we have scenes. We have 7 scenes. Okay, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Let's say, okay, 1, 2, 2, 3, oh, 3. Oh, this is on scene. Where is the main? Okay, here it is. Scenes. Let's do the other ones. Okay, we have scene 4, scene 5. Oops. Scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, and scene 7. Okay, we have all our scenes. So this here and this here. All the main scenes on the respective folder. Or we have this hurricane, flood, and storm. This goes in the scene number. You have to order your project always. Maybe I'm not so used to do this, but hey, it can work. It can work sometimes. Okay, so one of the main things that I want to do with you today too, it's that you will have to correct me if I pronounce something wrong or if I say something wrong in English, because I'm trying to improve my English skills. I haven't been able to talk with anyone really, or not so many people in English, so I don't have the better English skills. As you can see, my English is very rough. It's very like cut. So you're welcome to correct me anytime you want. You're welcome to tell me if there is something that I should correct in my, not always pronunciation, because I know that my pronunciation is not that bad, but maybe my sentence composition and all that. So your correction and everything it's welcome, okay? So let's do this thing. Okay, we were organizing our scenes. We have storm, hurricane in scene number 2. So let's move all that to scene number 2 and organize these by name. Clouds, these clouds are in scene number 7. Okay, and a final assets folder. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, if this is organized correctly. The main the main timeline is this one. So let's see. Okay, for copyright I won't be able to play the song that this video has, so you can, maybe if you can, you will hear it later when it gets released. Maybe the release is in April or something like that, so you're welcome to do that. Now on the nights here, getting dark. Okay, let's do this. We're in scene number 4, and I wanted to import this new ship that we made earlier. I have to organize this folder. It's crazy. Oh, that wasn't the thing that I wanted to export. Okay. Again, let's delete this. Delete. Ship with book. It is the ship that we want to use, and the name was, I think it was ship number 4. Here it is. There it is, the ship. Okay, we have it here. Let's try to fix it to the size, the correct size. Let's flip this because it's in the wrong direction. Transform, flip horizontal. That's right. Okay. I need her to read. That's okay. Okay, those eyes are a little weird, but okay. Right now I don't have like too much time to try to fix like little things like that. You can see, look, the eyes are closed. Okay, and the rigging in the face is not the best one. Okay, we need that. We need another thing. It's the ship that it's running in the background. And I have another ship already. So let's import it. Ship with book. This goes in scene 4. And let's import the other ship called Ovejita Parabolas. Like, how you say that in English? Translate. Okay. Parables. Yeah, I think so. Parables. Okay, little ship parables, it's called. Okay, let's go with this one. Let's do this one. I think my main comp is this one. Yes. This isn't the one. No. To delete that file that it's confusing me a lot of. That has had confused me a lot of times. We have the ovejita parabolas, and we have another one that I have in another folder. Ovejita sembrador, like it's called like sewing sheep. Sewing sheep. Sewing. Yeah, it's like a parable. So let's save it on characters, and we are good to go. Let's add this here. Okay, here is sewed. Sewing sheep. This is the one that we need. Let's see for the sembrador. Here. Yes, we have it here. Oh, so this happened. I don't know why, but my After Effects has a lag, a crazy lag, that when I maybe drop it and do something like that, and I try to go back, the asset drags with it. So I don't know why that happened. But let's organize our background and all the things that we have on this landscape. We have this is the background, like the main background. This is the sun. These are the clouds. We have here, these are the mountains. This can go in the same. Yeah. Let's call this background foliage. Yeah, foliage. Okay, that goes there, and the sheep, as you can see, has to go here. Oh no. And no. Where? Okay. Yes, that's okay. This is the floor, so let's reduce this floor. Here we have floor, and we have like front bushes and front. Let's name this like front. Mountains, cloud. Okay. Let's scene. This is scene what? For background. We can do some things here. I to do this. I duplicate these clouds. Parent this one to this one, and this is going to the cue to change position from here to maybe here. Let's see if that's too fast. That's a little too fast. It's behind here. Okay. Still too fast. Way back there. I think that's better. Let's see. Yeah, that's better. And let's make the sun, because I want to maybe have this like stationary, and no, that won't work. Make the sun rise from this point. From here do here. Let's make it do like a little nice curve. Let's see. Too fast. Maybe here. Let's try to fix this a little bit. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay. Come on, that I think that's okay. What else? What else? Okay. Okay. Let me check one moment the stream. Yes, we're good. Yep. Okay, so I was doing this. Raise the sun here. Let's see the clouds. Oh, these are other clouds. Don't get distracted by it. Okay, here we have now this. Let's do this. Maybe I can do this and make this ship move like her. It's her legs a little bit faster. So like a swing. Let's see what are they doing. Yeah, let's try to make it a little bit faster. Let's move this here and we can duplicate or clone this. And let's play it so we can see what is going on. Yeah, that is not much better. That's much better. Okay. Let me hear my stream. Yeah, I think that's better. Let's see the movement. I can shrink it a little bit more. Here. Let's see if this works. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, I have to move this arm. So we can see it like if maybe it's opening the book. Let's move it. That's better, I think. Okay, yeah, that's better. Yeah. Let's see. This hand here is, I don't like it that much. Let's take it here. We can move it here a little bit. I know my keyframes are a mess, but hey, what else can you do? Okay, let's see. That's much better. I can move this a little bit more to adjust like the movement here. Let's move this keyframe here. It's going too fast. Let's see. Maybe there. No, before. Here. After. It's after it. Yeah. Here maybe. Yeah. One keyframe. I think. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's save it. Always save your progress. Always save your work, you know? There were some things that happened to me. Okay, let's see. Is here. Yeah, that's okay. That's better. Let's change this thing. Okay, let's see the PDF file. Okay, here it is. And let me add the video capture device. Okay, let's close this a little bit. I'm still setting up my stream, so be patient. Bear with me. Let's see if I can adjust this here. Okay. Okay, here we have this. We have this here, and okay, we have already this sheep reading, and this other one, it has to be like running for Jesus. So let's do the running thing. Here we have this. Which one is? Okay, it's this one. Yep. Thank you to everyone who is joining us. Okay. Let's do this. We have to make this little ship look to the front. Okay, here we have this slider, and she's going to be looking there. And we have to make this little sheep run. That's why I have, oh my god, I didn't remember that this plugin is new. So let me download the update. We have an update for this plugin. This step is like very good plugin, so you can make rigging, which is trying to move these limbs and trying to make the ship like move and animate in like a different way. So I will have to download my thing here. Let me do one thing 1 second. After. Yeah, wait. Give me 1 second. Okay. Fix my headphones. Okay, so let's do this thing. I'm going to leave this for a moment while I update the plugin that I need to run this correctly. Closing, I'm saving, and let's see if there is something else. Okay, so let's download this. What I'm going to update and put the. Oh, why this doesn't have the music? Why? Okay, let's put the music. Sorry. Okay, that's better. And my main camera doesn't have like a media source. We're like here. Okay. So I have to update this. So let's save it. I have my files here. Design and save. Let's do it, Angela. And it's like stuck, but okay, doesn't matter. Okay, we're ready. Let's extract all. Extract. And I'm going to install it. You know how to install it, maybe. You have to go to the main folder, to root folder, and install there your plugins, if they are free, because sometimes they are not, and you will need a tool to install them. So let's try to do this. It's still downloading, and let's give it some time. Let's give it some time to decompress, or yeah, to extract it. This is quite a lot of work. We'll try to speed it up. Files, Adobe After Effects 2023, support files and scripts, and here it is. Continue. I think it's working. Copy animation, auto parent, do cut animation. Maybe we have some. Oh. Oh my god. I think I made a mistake. 2023. Oh, today is what? 30? No. I'll have to delete everything related to Duik and install it again. Yeah. It's not much. Duik. delete, continue. Let's open this other folder. I did save it on my main folder. I always keep track of like all the versions. Maybe you need something and you need to roll back. If you need to roll back to another version, saving everything will save you trouble, will help you a lot. We have the scripts, script UI panels. Yeah, this is the one that goes on the main. You're not seeing everything because, well, these are my personal files. You understand it. Okay, we have the first one. And there's one missing. Okay, script UI panels, scripts, script UI panels. What happened? Okay. Tools. Okay, I have to copy and paste something in tools. Scripts, script UI panels. Where does this go? Oh no, I don't need that. This goes outside of it, I think. Outside of script UI panels. Let's paste it. And we're good to go. I think, I hope so. Okay, let's open again after. Okay, everyone. Now you can see my screen. Welcome. Okay. Now we can work. Yes, we have it here right now. This is the new version of Duik. I will. Okay, it changes a lot of like the things that have before, like the icons, everything, like it's like more polished. So let's try to remember information and expressions. I think I have this walk run cycle, but oh, screw it up. I have to link it. Yeah, that's better. So let's try to give this like a more fluid position to these arms. Maybe that a little bit. Okay. This always happens to me. I don't know why, but this arm is to go with this other hand, and I have to hide that, or that is better. So let's place the face with this one. Neck, torso. I don't have torso. Neck, torso, spine, hips, body. Let's do the body maybe. And let's hide what we don't need right now. You can hide it like shine. This here. 1, 2, 3, and we're good to go. Okay. I need the body. This is the one that goes with body. Okay, now the hands. Where are my legs? Here. Let's put it on the top. We have, this is right hand, so let's parent it. Right hand, and the other one is left hand. We have right foot, and this one is left foot. Okay, there is something missing. No, I think that that's okay. And we hit this walk, run, cycle. This will help us to make this little ship run. That easy, you know. But if you want to do something better in your animation, maybe there is no need to use Duik as a tool for you to auto animate everything. Okay, so hello to everyone. Hello to Chris Torres and Art Quill that are joining us on our stream. So let's try to. This is going backwards, as you see. It's going like. Oh no, it's fixed, I think. Yeah, but these hands are static. Why? Something happened with the hands. I did this good, it was good, but the hands, I don't know what is going on with them. Because when you have the walk cycle, maybe you have this energy a little bit. No. What happened? Okay. What happened with the hands? I need the hands to work. And they are here. I don't understand. Okay, let's try to figure out why the hands are not working. And why? Look at this. This is so wrong. Okay, let's go back. Let's delete that. And again, this is left hand. Okay. Uh-oh. What did I do? Left hand. And this is right. It was inverted. Okay. This is right leg or right foot. Right and left foot. It's not changing. The names are wrong. It's left. Uh-oh. There's something going on. Now it's working. What is going on with this? What is that? Oh, it's the donation. Okay, so we have face, yeah, in head, body with body, okay. Right hand with one. No, that's not right hand. This should be. Let's put this here, maybe 1 moment. Left hand should be with one. Yes, now it's with one. And this one should be with two. This is right. This is left. This is right. This is left. Okay, now I think it will work. Let's see if the ship starts to work. There is something going on with the arms. And some soft names. Let's try to do something here to improve that. The arms. Uh-oh. I can fix it, but this is a little bit crazy. I don't know what to do. Let's see, left arm, right arm, left hand. Split values, remove expressions. Let's see if this runs correctly. What is going on with the hands? It's not animating the hands, and it's very static. Why? Okay, let's try to see bake composition, edit expression, time remap. What is going on? Okay, I think this has to go parented to the body, maybe. Okay, let's parent it to the body. This should also parent body. Maybe that way. Let's see. Yeah, I think that was the issue. But I have to go back and redo it again because I have to first parent it and then trying to fix it. Let's see it here. Second. Okay. So let's go back again. That's gone. And I have to parent this to the body. And these legs to the body also. I hope. Look, this is not the head. It says wool. Why? There's a few bugs in this thing. Okay, I think we are good now. Let's run it. Come on. You can do this. Yeah, that's better, but the hands are not making any swing like, no, like this one, like this. Maybe there is something new. Let's watch tutorial on the new Duik. Okay, I have a tutorial here, so we can watch that. Let me set up my screen. Okay. Let's put this down a little bit.
You want to learn how to use Duik, Angela, and I know you're serious about it because you saw the length of this video and you clicked on it anyway. I'm excited to teach you it. I'm not going to waste any of your time, and it really does take this much time to get a good grasp on how to use Duik, especially meta rigs. Open Cutout is a new format created by the developers of Duik that allows you to basically make presets of skeletons for any creatures that you want, compatible with Duik's auto rigging system. So if I click on this button, you'll see that there's lots of different types of creatures in here that we can choose from. So I could go into the bird section and we have a chicken and a rooster. If I go back out, there's a fish, or let's go into the last one. There's a pig character right here. So I'm gonna give it a name. We'll just call this pig Chuck, and then double click on this, and Duik is going to create all of the bones necessary to make up the skeleton for a pig character. And I can actually make this a little more apparent what's going on. If I switch over to the Bones tab, select those bones and go into the settings and enable the envelope. This is going to show you basically a reference of where all of those perfectly circular overlaps are and how the artwork that you designed to fit this skeleton might work. It serves as a really great reference for designing characters, but it's completely customizable. All of these bones are in a parent chain, so you can adjust where they are. Let's say you weren't designing a pig, though. Let's get rid of that comp. I'll go back.
1 second, I have to fix something here in extra information. What did I put? Just chatting? Yeah. Maybe art, design. Design. I think just chatting is okay. Look at these dogs.
Back into the Open Cutout tab. jump back out into the hominoid structure. This is what a human is, and we have advanced and simple. I'm just gonna go with simple. Again, double click on it to build all of the bones for that skeleton. And once again, if I enable that envelope, I'll select my bones, go to the bone settings, enable the envelope and apply.
Wow.
This is a really useful tool for being able
Envelope.
to create your
That's
designs
awesome.
on top of, because you can adjust the proportions of your character and everything in between will update. I could grab this arm,
The
go
thing
to
is
the
that,
envelope effect.
okay, the thing that. Do you see this? These limbs are separated here. Here we have one, here, like the arm, the forearm, the hand, everything. But this sheep has his hand, her hands, or this is not separated, this is not split. So I don't know, man. Okay, let's see if there is one way to do it.
And change the size. So you could start your character design work inside of After Effects, playing around with a structure and getting it the way that you think you want your character to be designed. Take a screenshot of this, bring it into Illustrator or Photoshop, and design your artwork directly on top of that skeleton. In the future, the developers of Duik want to make this open cutout format available in other software to make this process even simpler. But for now, even just taking a screenshot is such a help in designing your character to fit a Duik meta rig. And the other amazing thing about this is that you can save custom meta rigs, reuse them, share them, so this entire list can grow as you create more characters and as the Duik community contributes to making this a larger library. Now, like I said, I'm not going to be using the open cutout format for this particular character, and it'll make sense why in just a minute. But I'm just going to go ahead and delete that comp and go into the second tab, which is bones. And if you've used Duik Basel before, you might be a little bit confused because the terminology has changed a little bit. In Basel, structures was the name of these layers that make up a skeleton. They're now renamed bones because that just makes a little more sense. It's the bones, the literal bones that make up the skeleton of your rig. And bones in Duik Basel are now called pins because once again, it just makes more sense. Bones in Basel really served as pins, so that's why they've been renamed as pins in Duik Angela. Now I'm going to go ahead and start creating bones for my Reese character. So I'm going to close out of my bones settings. And again, I have this list of all different types of creatures. I'm working with a hominoid character, so that's where I'm going to be working. Now, first things first, I'm going to give my character a name because this will help with labeling. So I'm going to say Reese as the character.
I don't know
and then
why.
just click off for a second. Before I get into any bone creation, I want to first prepare my artwork in the comp. In fact, I want to make a duplicate of this comp so that I can always get back to this in case I ever need to. So I'm just going to rename this one with a 1 at the beginning and say Reese artwork. And then I'll duplicate it and rename this one to Reese bones. And I'll make sure that I double click that comp so I'm working on it and start making some bone structures. Now you could use that meta rig and put all of your bones in at once and then line up everything to its corresponding part of the character, which is how I used to work with Duik Basel, but with Duik Angela, I think there's a much faster way. So again, I'm going to stay in the bone section and I'm going to first just choose, let's say, the character's right arm and turn on my guides layer. That way I can see exactly where all of these joints are. What I want to do is move the anchor point for each one of these layers to their corresponding joints. So for the arm layer, I'll zoom in nice and close, switch my anchor point tool with Y on the keyboard, and then click and drag that up to this circle. Now, as I'm dragging this around, the resolution drops a lot. At this point at the stand out nicely. That green, that'll probably work.
That's nice.
Right here. For what I'm putting out there, and if you like the way this tutorial is going, click that like button.
Check this one.
Now what I want to do is duplicate that comp one more time, and I'll rename this one for Reese Walk. And we're going to take a look at one of my very favorite features of Duik, which is the automatic walk or run cycle. So we're going to switch over to the Automation and Expressions tab. I'm going to select all of my controllers. Again, I'll need to unlock the ones I'm not using. Even though I don't plan to use them to animate, it is important that they're selected for this part of the process. So I'm going to select all those controllers, come over to my walk run cycle, and again, I'll click on the settings button instead of clicking the run button so that we can see what's happening. Because of the way that all the layers are named and tagged with markers, Duik is able to identify which controller should be used for each part of the body. For anything that's missing or something that you're not using in your character rig, that'll just be set to...
We need to parent these things, not the other things. Okay, let's try to do that, maybe. But change, no, let me see. These are the things that we have to pin to the, okay, maybe that could work. Let's, this arm, okay. I think the tips are the ones that I will have to automate here. Okay, we have face, body, arm. This arm should be this one. Okay, that's left. So this is going to be this one. Yeah, and this other arm should be this one, right? Yeah. 3 is right. 1 is left. And for the legs, the same thing. I don't know. This is pretty weird. Okay, let's do it here. That's the right foot. Where's the other leg? Structure. Uh-oh. Wait a second.
None, but this is a way to verify. which is the automatic walk or cleaner way to work. So it's what I typically do with my controllers. I'll just make sure to lock up these 3 that I'm not using anymore. And this rig is now ready to be animated. Now what I want to do is duplicate that comp one more time, and I'll rename this one for Reese Walk. And we're going to take a look at one of my very favorite features of Duik, which is
these are the structures, right? Now I will have to take a look to all the one left controller. No, we need to parent it to the controller. I have to do the ship all over again. Well, not all over again, but let's do it. Let's do this little ship. Let's fix it. Okay, I will open it here. Sewing ship. And let's try to work with After Effects. What happened? Why did this change? What? Okay. Okay, let's start. Let's delete everything. This, oh no, I need the slider. Oh, that's the one thing I need. So we need to delete the arms. This slider stays. All of these, goodbye. It's goodbye. These arms, goodbye. Okay, what I did before, when I was when I did this ship before, when I animated before, I don't remember how was it called. Yeah, there's no damage in doing this all over again, so don't worry. So we have these links and constraints. Add pins, this is the one. But for that, okay, you're starting the process, which can take some time. Adding layer controls will improve performance a lot. Do we want to toggle layer controls now? Wait a second. Add pins. Wait a second. Pins, auto rig. Parent. Okay, now I understand. I have to add the rigs for all the. We have this one. I have to fix this. Here we have this one, and we have arm. Go. This arm. Okay, these 2 arms. So what we did before was added pins, so we can like create some bones. For that we use the puppet tool here and create it here. The middle maybe here, and in the middle of the circle here. Okay, that's one way to do it. And here we also have to do the same thing. The arms are not in the same position. Let's try to fix this. Align. Okay, that's better. But I need to see the ship. Maybe let's drag it a little bit there. That's okay. Arm 3 and arm 1, and let's pin it. Pin here. Oh. Yes. Okay, we have the pins, pin and pin. And we have add pins. Hide layer control. Yes, this is the thing that I was needing. Okay, let's hide these things here. And let's do it again for this one. We have the puppet tool. This helps. Oh my god, screwed up. The puppet tool is something that after having fixed see here. Okay. Okay, let's do this here. Let's move this a little bit to the top. Yeah, I think that's okay. Why there is this thing there? I think the pins are already there. Let's see. Yeah, let's delete this. I hate it. I hate it. These are not so great to work. Let's see the other arm. This also needs to have the pins removed. Let's puppet. Delete that. Okay, we have this arm, this other arm, and okay. Let's add some pins. Something. Okay. We need some pins to be added there. Good. So we need. Oh, something's happening with my HDMI. I think it's damaged or something. Every time I move, leave it there. That's there. Here, here, and here. And that was, I don't like it. I don't know how to center it. Let's leave it there. Let's leave it there, and let's leave it there. Here, let's do the same thing. Here, here, and here. You have to keep in mind like all the divisions of the limbs. Here's one, but you want to put it on the center. Okay, not always here. Here, and the shoulder. I don't like that much. Let's try it again. That's better. And I have to do it like with the eyes. I know I can't drag a ruler and put it here, but okay. Let's start with this arm. Let's see these things here. Now I can add pins. Hide layer controls. Layer controls, no. I think I don't want to do that. Add pins. Ignore. Yeah. That was the step. Now I want to do this. I want to do the auto rig. And let's ignore it. Not controller found. Please add some controllers to the custom layers. What? No controller found. Let's see the tutorial again. Because I'm seeing this change a lot of things. Explain the bones. Rig your character.
Reese, rig. Double click on it to get into that comp, and I no longer need these guide layers, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete them out of my comp. I don't need this background layer, so I'll get rid of it. And all I have to do to convert this simple parent system into an actual rigged skeleton is select all the bones, which I can do with this button right here, and then go down to auto rig and click the button. Now Duik is going to warn me, this is gonna go a lot slower if all of my layer controls are visible, but all I have to do is click on this checkbox and it's going to eliminate all of these overlays. There's lots of shape layers and expressions driving this entire system.
Let me see one thing. I don't have controls. Bake bones. Deactivating rules. Bake bones. Let's see if this works. No control found. Okay. The tag button in the tweak control panel. Okay. So this is the arm and tweak control panel. Where is it? Composition, cameras. This is animation. That is nice. I like this. Although I haven't like profoundly studied this tool. I know I should. Controller settings. Tag. Parent transform. Select bones. Bake bones. Where? Okay, let's do it again. Let's see where. Let's ignore it. Tag them using the tag button in the tweak control panels. Tweak control panel. Okay, that's bones. Tag keyboard connector. Parent transform. Shape layers. Animation, auto rig, automation, bone camera, constraint controller. Control panel. Where is it? It should be. Okay, tag as controls. This arm. Maybe? I know that is not a control, because the control is the little thing that makes me move the limb. Let's see if that's okay. Yeah, that worked. But it made a mess. And I don't know how to control it. Let's go back. Don't tell me I will have to do this. No idea. Okay, let's do it. Oh, it's raining. Close that. This window. It's making everything. I don't need it. I don't need it now. That's not what I need. Why? Why? Just on these two. Because it's all new for me. Link art bone setting. Previously I did this, I do it like this. Rig, no control. Let's look at this again.
and the overlays are what cause After Effects to lag, so that's why we're going to hide them when I click that check mark in the background. Now, the second method for creating bones in Duik is to actually draw a path. So I'm going to switch over to my pen tool, and I'm going to add a point on each one of these joint markers. I'm not going to add any curves, but I am going to finish it off by putting a fourth point at the tip of the limb. Now, this is a little bit more difficult to be super precise, so I'm going to zoom in here. I might even change the width of this down to 1 so I can see that dot nice and clearly, but I want to put each point of my path right in the center of each one of these joints, and it looks like I was off a little bit. So it is important to get in there and make sure that you're being precise. But now with that...
To add the bones. Okay. That's the thing that we're trying to do. So, let's do it that way. Okay, now okay, so
path drawn, I can back out of my bone settings, click on hominoid, go into the arm settings, and again, change my labels. This time it's not going to be on the front, it'll be on the back, and it is the left arm. Duik is intelligent enough to know that I just did the right arm, so the next time I'm probably going to do the left arm. And actually, I need to make sure that not only is the layer selected, but the path itself is selected. So I'll switch to my pen tool, grab any one of these points, and then click on the arm button. And what Duik is going to do is draw bones aligned to that.
Okay. Let's do it again.
Now, the second method of creating bones in Duik is to actually draw a path. So let's go over to my pen
do it with the path.
I'm going to add a point on each one of these joint markers. I'm not going to add any curves, but I am going to finish it off by putting a fourth point at the tip of the limb. Now, this is a little bit more difficult to be super precise, so I'm going to zoom in here. I might even change.
Let's do it. But he did it with making it outside, no, not on the like. Okay. Let's do it with white. Yeah. And I don't feel now. Stroke. I need the stroke. Okay. The good thing is, yes, we can adjust this however we want. Hello, what happened? It's moving everything. Let's see. It's better. It's moving everything. Why? Let's see if this aligns with this. Yeah. I think I can move this a little bit. Ah, that's okay. Yeah, that was the. Oh my god, this is awful. Why is changing like that? Yes. Let's move. Let's delete this. Oh, another one. Like in the center of it, in the middle of it, here, and okay, now.
The width of this down to 1 so I can see that dot nice and clearly, but I want to put each point of my path right in the center of each one of these joints, and it looks like I was off a little bit. So it is important to get in there and make sure that you're being precise. But now with that path drawn, I can back out of my bone settings, click on hominoid, go into the arm set.
Okay. Let's go back. Where is he? He's in bone settings.
Settings, and point of my path right in the center of each one of these joints. And it looks like I was off a little bit. So it is important to get in there and make sure that you're being precise. But now with that path drawn, I can back out of my bone settings.
Okay. This is arm.
Click on hominoid, go into the arm settings, and again, change my labels. This one is not going to be on the front, it'll be on the back, and it is the left arm. Duik is intelligent enough to know that I just did the right arm, so the next time I'm probably going to do the left arm. And actually, I need to make sure that not only is the layer selected, but the path itself is selected. So we'll switch to my pen tool, grab any one of these points, and then click on the arm button. And what Duik is going to do is draw bones aligned to that path. It'll be on the back, and it is the left. Duik is intelligent enough to know that I just did the right arm, so the next time I'm probably going to do the left arm. And actually, I need to make sure that not only is the layer selected, but the path itself is selected. So we'll switch to my pen tool, grab any one of these points, and then click on the arm button. And what Duik is going to do is draw bones aligned.
Okay.
To that path. Use any one of these points, and then click on the arm button. And what Duik is going to do.
The arm. Right shoulder, arm. Okay. Let's try to do it.
Is draw bones aligned to that path using the vertex points as the anchor points for each joint. This is another really fantastic way of creating bones for your character artwork. I just have to do a little bit more to get things parented to them. You'll also notice that it took the comp name as the character's name. So what I want to do is select these bones. I'll go into my bone settings, and again, let's change the color. Let's apply that first just so it's easier to see. Let's go through until we find something that will stand out nicely. That green, that'll probably work. Okay, next I'll uncheck the color and we'll go to the character's name. This needs to be Reese. I'll apply that, and there we go. Name updates. It is the back left arm, so everything else there looks good. Now, the artwork was not automatically parented to the path. As far as I know, that's not possible, but there is a very intelligent way of automatically linking your art to your bones using this link art button. So I'm going to select these 3 layers. And again, because I labeled these properly, Duik is going to try to guess what bones these should be parented to. So I'll click on the link art button, and if I make this a little bit bigger properly, Duik is going to try to guess what.
Just those, okay. Link art, let's see. Because the same thing happens.
Bones these should be parented to. So I'll click on the link art button, and if I make this a little bit bigger so we can see, they've now been parented to those bones, and if I rotate the bones, sure enough, everything is parented up.
It's not going to work. Okay, that was that. There is a, let's see. If there is someone that can help me, let's see. Hello everyone. So I need this recreate spine, leg bones, auto read your character.
Rigging. So I'm going to once again go back to my project panel and duplicate this comp. I'll rename it 3 Reese Rig. Double click on it to get into that comp, and I no longer need these guide layers, so I'm just gonna go ahead and delete them out of my comp. I don't need this background layer, so I'll get rid of it. And all I have to do to convert this simple parent system into an actual rigged skeleton is select all the bones, which I can do with this button right here, and then go down to auto rig and click the button. Now Duik is going to warn me, this is gonna go a lot slower if all of my layer controls are visible, but all I have to do is click on this checkbox and it's going to eliminate all of these overlays. There's lots of shape layers and expressions driving this entire system, and the overlays are what cause After Effects to lag, so that's why we're gonna hide them when I click that check mark. And while that happens, I wanna encourage you to donate to Duik, the creator of Duik, who runs RX Labs and makes Duik freely available for anyone who wants to use it. If you use Duik in any kind of creative capacity, it only makes sense to support the creators. And what I like to do, hide the bones, which since I have my bones panel still open, I can click the show hide bones button. That will eliminate all of the bones since I'm done with them. I don't need to modify them anymore. I don't need to see them. So I'm just gonna disable their visibility to help with render time. Now, if I take a look at my layers, I've got a lot more. And if I make a little bit more room for myself, you'll notice that all of these
controls.
Now let's take a look at what these controllers do and what we can do to clean them up a little bit. First of all, there's one right over top of the head. It's a skull icon. This obviously is the head controller, but I don't like it being over top of my character's face. So I'm gonna go into this effect that's on this controller layer, into the icon, and there's a position value.
When
to change the X position, I can shift this off to the side, and that's
added
to do. Since it's over to the side now,
after the reading, maybe.
Generate bones and really appreciate
or these controls.
In the settings, I've created this artwork full parent system to warn me available for anyone who wants to use it. If you use Duik in any kind of creative capacity, it only makes sense to support the creators. And what I fed back in, let that play back in real time so you can get
yes, that's added after it. It's a little bit hard, you know. Okay, let's try to do something here. can I do? Okay. Before it was like Auric and IK. Now it's not there. Okay. I think I found something. Okay, let's see if this can work maybe.
And in this short tutorial, I'll show you how to animate tentacles
this
with the help
is
of
what I need.
You can find the project files and the link to download Duik in the description. Let's get started. First, I will select a tentacle. I'll rotate it horizontally and place it in the center of the composition. Let's also place a guideline along the tentacle. Then I will select
I should do that.
And put dots along the guideline densely. Now let's open the Duik window. Go to Window, Duik.
There is no two. She still uses it too. So I have to use it again. Okay, yeah. No worries. I will not save things here. And let's put the previous version of Duik in here. So it was Duik Angela, no. Where is it? Duik, no, I have to look for it. Fail to download. Okay, let's see. There should be a way to do something with to roll back the previous version. I thought I have it, but no. Tools, Duik. Give me 1 second. Closed after, yeah. Okay. I need the previous version of Duik. So let's see. Yeah. Perfect. This was for the version 2020. Duik based version 2023.
Hi guys, welcome to my new video.
Okay, I think this can work. Download. Yes, download. It's sending me to Angela. Where did I put that? I know I saved it, but where? Like I told you at the beginning, you should save the versions of the plugins that you're working on. Maybe you want to go back, to roll back, to do something else. That's a little bit bad. What is going on? Okay. Remember, buy your products. Take me to my download. Oh, no, I'm not going to have it. Squash, big stroke, motion array, plugins bounce drop, after. What is this after plugin? I will have to work with motion 3, no. I'll have to look for it in the where is it? Geometer rakes, improve the cleaner keyframe, workroom cycle, tweeting. These flexible limbs are awesome, but I need it for. I don't have rubber hose. I would love to have it. Well, this will help me to do this, you know. See past month.
Hello, this is Motion Design School. I will rotate to select the
Flexible limbs. Flexible limbs. Do it, Angela. Let's see what they have to say about this.
Version of Hey, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the newest version of Duik Angela. I thought because Duik Angela is coming out later this month officially, that it'd be a good time to kind of look at what's new, what they've updated, what they've changed, and just give my overall thoughts.
What? Wait a second. What happened?
Hey, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining. In today's video, and some of it, my course on character animation is currently still open until tomorrow, Friday, January 13th, and then we'll be closing enrollment. If you're interested in the course, I've left a link in the description where you can go check it out and learn more about it. Also, if you're not interested in the course, but you still want to support the channel and what we're trying to do here at Keyframe Academy, one thing you can do to support the channel is just go watch the last video, the video we made for the course. Just go watch it and then
First, opening Duik, the biggest, most obvious change you'll notice is the UI has been completely reworked. This can be a controversial move as people get used to the way things are. I know I certainly was used to the way things were in Duik Vassal, and this new version of Duik will definitely throw you for a loop at first, as it did me.
Okay. Watching.
Hi guys, welcome to my new video.
Where is it? Okay.
Redoing the UI can be a good thing if it makes things more efficient, but I'd say from my experience, the jury is still out on if this redesign accomplishes that. I think I'll just need more time with Duik. My biggest gripe with the new UI so far is that I wish there was a way to make these icons a little bit bigger. Right now I'm in rookie mode, which I had to switch to because in standard and expert mode, all these text labels underneath the icons are hidden in standard and expert mode, and so you have to rely on the icons, and these icons can sometimes not be super legible at this size. So I had to switch from standard to rookie. Okay, so the next big change is that what we've all come to lovingly know as structure layers are now called bones. This is a good call in my opinion because it aligns Duik with the industry standard. So structures are now a thing of the past, and what used to be called bones in Duik are now called pins. And speaking of bones, there are now a lot of updates to the available armatures. In Duik Vassal, you could create arms and legs for things like dogs and horses, but now you have things like plantigrades, which I guess are like rabbits. You have spiders, birds, even fish. It's pretty wild. And there's also now what they call meta rigs, which are kind of like the full package. So in Duik Vassal, you could create a full humanoid armature with the spine, the 2 legs, the 2 arms, and then when you hit auto rig, it would rig everything up. Well, now you can do that for a variety of different kinds of rigs, like for animals. And they all work with the auto rig button. There is also a file format that is being developed called OCO, which stands for Open Cutout Format. I don't know much about how it is actually going to work because I guess it's still in development.
Okay, we saw that on the previous video. Here.
In any kind of creative capacity, it only makes sense you illustrate your character, and the pose that you put them in is going to close that out.
Here.
Open Cutout is a new format created by the developers of Duik that allows you to basically make presets of skeletons for any creatures that you want, compatible with Duik's auto-rigging system. So if I click on this button, you'll see that there's lots of different types of creatures in here that we can choose from. So I could go into the bird section, and we have a chicken and a rooster. If I go back out, there's a fish, or let's go into the last one. There's a pig character right here. So I'm going to give...
Okay. Well, I will take a look to all here. The only thing that we can do for now is... Yeah, I can do for now. It's to work with like it work with what I have, because I can't find the other version of the vehicles, and that's a shame. I thought I have it, but well, it's almost a new computer, so maybe that's why I don't have it. Let's work with what I have. Let's do this. It's going to be hard because I need this ship to be jumping and do a lot of things. But well, okay, let's do this. So I was trying to do this. This is the controller, right? Yeah, this is working. It should be working like before. Why? Okay, whatever. So we have to create a here a work run cycle. This is the okay. This is parented. Yes, the food. It should be working. I don't know why it's not working. Only the legs are working, hence are not working. So here we have this left one. This goes here. This is the right one. This goes here. And we have this puppet tool reparented to the artwork, that is the arm. We have this is the right hand. And we have this is the left hand. Good. The head, its face, everything is parented to it. And the body. That I don't need. Body, it's going to be here. Save this. And let's pray that this works. Hands are still not working. I can clean it up and try to match it up with the position. This goes here, and this goes here. Uh-oh. Here. F9. Yeah. We can fix it with this. But first, I think I will have to make... I'm not going to take so much time here. So here, and let's do this here. This is going to be cloned. And again, here, there. Clone, and here. Let's see. Let's see if this works. It's too fast, but okay, let's try to see someone walking. I need to see someone trying to walk. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay.
So let's talk about walk cycles, which starts uncycled in the next video since there's just...
Yeah. When this hand is behind, the arm is behind too. Like this, and okay. So if this, let's see if this works here. Back, no, it should be in the front. Okay, I did it the wrong way. Here, it should be here. And here, it should be here. Okay, that's good. Here again. We have to do this. And we have to do this again. Yeah. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Let's see if I can fix this. Because the character walks psycho. Speed, it's 100. Let's put it at... Yeah, 100 is okay. So I need this to be running quite fast. Let's try to make it move. Here. And... it's okay here and here. When he's there. Okay. Let's see. Let's hide this one for a moment. And let's hide the background for a moment. Sometimes you can see maybe that the animal it's like floating, like sliding. That's a mistake that we have to correct when we are editing. Let's try to see if anybody is there. Hello to everyone. Okay. Yeah, it's a sliding. Look, look, look. Look the feet. Oh, that it's not that bad, you know. It's, but I want it to be like jumping, like that will be a little bit harder. Like dancing. Yeah. Let's fix it a little bit here and type dancing. Yeah, run cycle, run speed, softness, let's put it at 50. Let's give it more energy and let's see if this works. On those legs, man. Those legs are crazy. Okay. Dancing too much. Let's take the energy a little bit. 20 and the softness. Let's leave it there. Yeah, the energy was the thing that it was like maybe not so great. Let's see. That's good, not bad. Then I need to purge this. Purge it. All memory and all this cache. 32 gigs. I need my a new disk so I can work better. That's the one. Let's do a real story. So anyone can know that we are streaming right now. Let's see. Yeah, took a picture. I don't know how to manage these things, you know. Hello everyone, how are you? We are right now we are streaming, you can see. We are here waiting for you to join us. We are doing some things on After Effects and some designs and some things. Yeah. I think that's good. Or not, maybe. No, it's another one. Because I am cringe. I'm super cringe, you know? Let's see how the ship is doing. It's like dancing, yeah, it's like happy. It's a little bit more fluid. I don't know. I need her to spread more the legs. So like have little bigger jumps, maybe. Here. General motion. Let's put it at 150. Yeah, these are better. That dancing, let's put the energy a little bit down. It's still too fast. It's like doing this fast. Dancing, but no. Where I can change the dancing thing? Body, torso swing, spine swing, hip softness, body translation. If I put here 0, what would happen? Okay. I think that was one of the things. Let's put it up to 2%. Okay. No. Spine softness, neck, head, no, run cycle, run speed. Let's I change this. Let's do 152 here. I don't like it that much. How is doing this jump? General motion. Let's move it to 3. Maybe. No, that's too slow. 50 and the walk 150. Oh, I need to make that swing a little bit. Step amplitude 100, legs, body, maybe the body, torso swing. So let's leave it at 1. That change something maybe. Yeah, more subtle. Yeah, I think that's better. Let's roll this and let's take a look while I try to post something here. Yeah, I still haven't mastered the posting things yet. Let's try to copy this. And how is that ship going? I need a little bit more swing. This ship. Let's close this. I have to use this right now. Let's put it at 2. Let's roll this. Maybe that can work. Space this. Okay, I think that's better. And let's add a YouTube. And let's add a I think this is better. Let's do this. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's better. And let's fix these arms. So we have another arm. Do some positioning here. This goes back and forward. Yeah, better, yes. Let's clone this. Let's keep cloning and clone. And now we can do it for all the composition. Here we have this here, and now in the front. Need it to be there. Clone. Now can do this here. I will have to find this tweak in this previous version. That will save me a lot of time. I should not be doing this. But whatever, okay, let's do this. Those are okay. Oh, that's okay. We're good. Let's see if it's all good here. Yeah. We need this to go here, 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 here. But okay, let's fix. This is going to be a little bit slower. No, faster here. More faster. Yeah. This. And she will arrive there. But maybe we can drag it a little bit more. That's better, yeah. Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay. Where were we? Yeah. Let's mute the music. And I hope it works. What's going? I don't know what's going to happen. But we are good here. I posted this. Let's post it to your story. Okay. Not now. Okay. Come on, little shitty. It's not that bad. I know she is running on the but doing that will require quite some work. Jump and jump. I think I could improve the arms. Oh my god, this is crazy. I need to find this tweak. Thousand 12 15 maybe here I can find it. Let's look it up here. Okay, in GitHub there is we send a notification, a verification code. In GitHub, maybe we can find the previous version of it. This is not going to work like this. This is like a small project, so I will be overworking in something that doesn't need to be that big of a deal. So to jump, you do it. Public in public archive. Duik rigging animation. Okay. 17 maybe. 52. It's going to be quite a job. Or maybe, oh, yeah, I can find it here. Maybe I deleted it not too long ago. So I can go to my trash. Why did I delete? Why? I'm so dumb. Just look at by name. Folders. A B C D D. Nope. Oh, come on, I need this. JavaScript. Awesome. Let's see. Actions of doing. Maybe with this can work. Yeah, I think so. Come on, oh my god. Facial rig, advanced arm. Emo, camera tools, outlines, animation tools. Angela, everything is Angela. With stretchy legs. Okay. Maybe this can help me. No. Let's see if this can help.
We're now going to quickly rig this robot to apply what we've learned in previous tutorials. It uses custom
shortcuts, installation, automation, auto rigger, the controller's limbs, and DIK. Maybe that's what I need. Let's keep looking for it. $2021. Okay. Okay, it's the 16th. 16, yeah. Maybe here. Docs RX laboratory. This is Angela, I think, yes. Docs. Old. Maybe here we can download actions. Yeah. pages build and develop. Deploy, no issues. Why won't the walk speed in the walk cycle change the frequency of the steps? Okay, that was a problem there. But I don't have any way to. Or do we? Or do we have it? Angela, base or merge branch with the 17th. No. No. I need it, please. No. That's good. That's awesome. Right, to do this. Week 16 last version. Week 16. Maybe this one can work for me, but it takes me to the Angela. Okay, early access, released. To last. No, there should be a history for the previous versions, right? Training video, early access, After Effects, tutorials, rigging, composition. Let's search here. Search. Angela, everything is doing Angela, and I don't need it. Do you? Well done, okay. Because this is not going to work like this. See if anyone is there. To my 2 viewers, hello. Everything okay there? Animation software. Free. It says free, and here they are charging 13,000 pesos. Let's see if I can download it here. Socials. Sure. Maybe I have it on my email. Let me see it. Nope. Find it. Where? Ah, maybe here, maybe here. Yeah. Oh, find it. Finally. Optional panels. Skip UI. Quick face off. Yeah. Let's do it with this. Let's not waste any more time. Later I will learn to manage the new one, script panels, lookup, and all these thing can go. This one can be placed here. Let me close after scripts, lookup. I think that's okay. Let's save this. Oh my god, I have to save this Duik in my. This is the last version, yes. This was the last version. Let's see. In design. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Here we are. You give me 1 second, please. Okay, I'm back. So, already installed and fixed that. Now let's work. Launching this thing. Okay, here we are. I have to fix this. Let's give it a neutral position to these arms. Yep. What is going on? Okay, whatever. So let's dock the base on plugin right here. Ignore. I can't work with that yet. And what I was trying to do was this wax cycle. I hope it works. Not. We are in serious trouble here. Okay, this is the left hand. Again, this is the right hand. Left hand is called. What is going on here? Okay. This is right hand. This is left. Right foot, yes. And left. Here we are. Yeah. Face goes with face, head, and body. Body, yeah. Here is the body. Create. Okay. Now I think it's working. Let's see it. Oh, there is that problem, or there was that problem with the week, and it was that I always, for some reason, have this backwards. So she's walking backwards, but right now it's walking pretty good. See one thing here. Okay, let's do it. Let's put a message here. Oh, look the hands, that's what I needed. This. Yeah. Let's add some good time. So work. You can teach me English or make things that I be learning things that go. chat and pin this message. Okay, I will put it. In 90 minutes. Okay, yeah, it's better. Yeah, she's walking. Look, that's better. So we can change some parameters here. Like now I can make her dance. Let's see. It's bouncing too much. I don't need that much bounce. Let's tone down the energy like goodbye. Maybe that's why it's bouncing too much. Okay. This is film animation. Okay, yeah. Was on the wrong. Okay, let's see. Let's see that dancing. Still too much. What can I do to fix that body? It has the same up down. Okay. Okay. Here maybe 2, 3. I needed to do this too much. It's the same. I don't see difference. Neck, head dancing, realistic. Energy, softness. Let's put a little less softness and let's try to make her move faster. I don't like how the legs stretch that far. Let's see. It's moving too fast. I don't like it. Let's leave it realistic. Let's leave it in 120, maybe. Yeah, that's a little better. And we can add some swing to the arms. Yeah, arm swing. Let's put in 34. I think that's too much, but and oh, it's good. I like it. Shoulder swing, arms softness. Put it at that maybe. Okay, now we can see if our sheep is better. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. Let's wait a minute. You have to understand that I don't have the craziest beast on the universe, but I have a pretty good computer. I'm grateful for that. So let's see. What happened, little sheep? Why are you not running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Okay. Why are you running? That's better. Yeah, I like it. So much better. But this slider here, no, this is the connector. This is the slider. Position, no. Something's happening with the phase at the beginning. Yeah, that thing. Okay, let's see if we can improve them. head swing a little bit. Yeah, that's so much better. Let's see the main composition and how it's going. In the storyboard, I have it like she's like too happy or something like that. I don't know. Let's see if this works. Okay, so the idea here is that you guys can share with me sometime and can share some experiences with me. Later in the afternoon, maybe 7 p.m. I will be gaming, doing some things. So if you can join me, that would be awesome. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's do this. Let's see. I think I can make her go a little bit faster. Let's see the preview at which quarter. Yeah, quarter is okay. She's sliding, so I can make her go a little bit faster. Yeah. Back the position. Maybe here. And this here. Yeah. But here is that it's starting to change. Let's try to move this up. Maybe with that velocity we can do something. That's the thing. I don't think so. Here maybe. No, because it will like go back. That was better. But from here I think we can make her go slower, so we can change the walk cycle general motion, energy softness, and walk speed. You here, and it will end here. There. Okay, the energy goes down. No, that we can keep the same, but this can go down here. Let's see. Let's fix this one here, because when she arrived here, it's like too early. Yeah, maybe there it's okay. Yeah, I like it. Yeah. Let's see. Look at the feet. That's better, you know? It's like it's sticking on the grass, not sliding. That is a problem that you have to fix with a lot of practice and trying to match the background or the movement with what you are trying to do. So, no worries there. There are some people doing some Hogwarts Legacy stream. I would love to play it, but it's going up. Why it keeps going back to re-render everything? I don't know why. Okay. Shoo. I was trying to fix the arms, right? Yeah. The arms a little bit swingier, more open. Yeah. It's good that you have references so you can animate in a better way. Anyways, I had to do this. I had to try to use this plugin in the new version. I couldn't. Doesn't matter. I will learn to use it later. Okay, let's see. There's something that maybe here we can add something like this. Yeah. So it doesn't stops like crazy. And let's fix the arms. I want more swing in those arms. Let's see. Where is the arms? Swing, neck no, body no. Here, let's leave it at 50. Yeah, something like that. More cartoony. Better. Yeah. They are in the streamer bowl. That would be cool to see, maybe. Yep. Streamer bowl 4. I think that's better. Let's see. Yeah, so much better. There's a few things that I have to fix on her face, but this can work pretty well. Pretty well. Okay. Let's try to fix my voice. Filters. Yeah, let's equalizer. Maybe some lows, a little bit. Hello. And a little bit of mids. Hello. That's better. Inverse polarity. Hey, hello. Maybe, okay. This is stereo. Hello. That's weird. Okay, let's leave it like that. Let's see where we are. Okay. She's like still walking. So let's try to move this bit behind. Okay. Maybe that's better. Okay, let me see. Okay. No. It's too slow. But this goes here. This is too slow. It should be stopping the here. Maybe like this. Okay, please work. Still sliding. let's see a little bit before of that. Here is okay, here is acceptable, but here it starts to change a little bit. Okay, let's see the storyboard. Okay. Let's see. Okay, she has to be running all the time. So let's not make her stop. And when she arrives like here, let's here, and this here. Of course. She has to be moving all the way up. Yeah. Here we can make her open her arms because she's going to hug Jesus. Okay, so we have this here, and if you have this IK being used, there is no way for you to move the arms. But if you do this next thing, then and off it, you can change the position of the arms. That these arms are going to be here and to Jesus. Oh, this arm. Okay. So should be on top of the face. Here. Let's change a little bit the slider position of it. And when she arrives here, she will be running towards Jesus, and in this scene it will have to change. Here, because I'm going to make Jesus come out. And yeah, let's see if this works. Oh, this change is always pretty rough, so let's take a look. This change is always look. Yeah, that change. That's not good. Let's leave these arms here and here so they can go there. Excellent. Amen. Maybe you can move it a little bit here so it doesn't so much too weird. Yeah, that's better. Yes, I think we have it. So let's take a look. Let's take a pic. Going to make a publication on a group that runs streams. I would like to do this. Okay, it's not working, but yeah, it's working. Which streamer is? Okay. Let's see if this is good. Yeah, that's great. Awesome. Now let's move to another. What we have here? Enough things. This is all working. Ah, we need to add the other character here. That is Jesus. Let's insert it on the project and let's work on it. But like Jesus talking because I make him talk. I did some things to make him talk. So that's sure. I'm hungry all the time. We have Jesus talking, Jesus A. Here, let's flip it to transform, flip horizontal. How is he going out? Yeah. Like this. Let's make it a little bit smaller. And go here. Yeah. Let's delete everything that he has. So for that we have to select everything, you and the body. I got this is crazy. Delete here this first. Oh my god. What? Let's change this one here. The Asian. We have to delete all of these too. And the other hand too. Yeah. Let's delete all these hands. Let's leave just one. And the rotation also, let's read from here. Let's move this here. Let's put it with these hands like this. So the rotation, and but I need open arms or open hands. Where do I take that from? Let me see where I can find them. Okay, in the artwork, they are there, but I don't like them. Let's try to use some of the other ones. I think these are on the previous project or season, because this is like an animated series. Let's see. No, it's not there. I saw one with one beautiful hand. This one. Maybe. No. No. Okay, maybe I have to cover some hands. Yeah, the point one. Empty hand. But I don't need that one. I need the other one. Let's drag this here and rotate it so it matches. Delete that. Drag it here. Tie this. It's like fighting, like fight me, dog. But no, I don't need that. Let's see. Let's see. I like his hand a lot, but like the shadows and all that, but that's not the hand that I need. Okay, so is he talking? Like, yo, but okay. Let's take the hand from the artwork. It's firm. Okay, that. Okay, here we have the hand. Let me show you really quick. Okay, faded. Here we have it. I have class in like an hour and a half, I think. Okay, so let's do some things here. Illustrator is opening. Let's try to move the hand. I have one tool. This tool is awesome. It's called Overlord. This tool helps me a lot to move all the artwork to After Effects. This is the hand that I need. I just have to do this and this, and immediately this will help me to move the hand, and we have the hand right here. Let's rotate it, and let's flip it, transform 3%. No. Let's get a little bigger so it matches this hand. Move it to the other. I know I have a lot of things that I haven't like tag and change colors. Sorry, I'm still a mess trying to work here. Let's do this and let's move the anchor point. This is important, so it doesn't goes crazy. This goes to S hand. This also goes to S hand. So if this moves like this one, like this, position. What the hell is going on? Rotation. Why is doing this? Okay, I think there are some things at the end. Yeah. Delete that. Delete that. Let's go back to the beginning, and it's not going to move. Awesome. And we have to do the same for the other hand. Let's duplicate it. This is right hand. Okay, this is right, and this other one is left hand, and left hand should be here. The position should not change. Okay, to put it like behind the other one. I think this hand is too big. Yeah, that's big hand. This right hand has to go with this other hand. Where is it? Okay, it's in the top left. SR, the normal one. The other one is with the two. Okay, I understand why this is there. Okay, this is with the same as this one. And it S hand. S hand, okay. And this one is S hand. That is why it was crazy. Yep. Let's hide that. Let's hide this other hand. Let's leave only one of the hands. It's better. Let's move it like this. And how is this scene? Oh my god. He's talking. Where? I don't remember. Okay, it's in Jesus' head, right? I don't want him to talk. Here, you're only going to have that. And the eyes, these are the pupils, are going to go always like this one. I have to duplicate this and do something with this because I hate it so much. Now we're good, yeah. We have to go to scene 4 again. Let's try to make it a little bit smaller. And he's looking like to the front, not that much to the like there, maybe. Yeah. Maybe go like this. His hands. Position, position. Okay. And like this. Let's try to do this. And when he's doing that, will be gone from the frame, and the leadership will have to look for him. Yeah, that's good. Let's fix this a little bit and let's try to do something with this. Yes, 2 hours and a half, almost 3 hours with one scene. Awesome. That's the best thing ever. Let's put this a bit bigger, a bit. Let's fit it there. And reproduce everything here right now. What do you want to talk, guys? What do you want to do? Yes, after 3 hours, we have one scene. And I will be playing something just after this. Oh, this jacket because it's so cold right now. Here, where I live. Although my my apartment is not that crazy cold. It's pretty warm. I was watching something new on Twitch that I haven't like saw before. People that may be connected with my stream. I'll try to follow everyone so they can know that I'll be here for them. You can come back, guys. You can be here whenever you want. Okay, so that's good, yeah. I like it, how the movement is happening right now with our ships. Yeah, la 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 la. I've been being followed by some people. That's awesome. In Twitter, I will invite you to my Twitter, so please come by and follow me there. It's getting hot here. My PC is struggling a little bit trying to render all these frames while I stream. That's crazy, you know. I'm hungry, yeah. I'm so hungry. I will have to go to eat something. Yeah, I will have to eat something right now. Okay, I think we're good to go. Let's see that. The hand. Yeah, I think that's better. Let's see here. I wanted to fix this one. The other hand, that hand it's like weird. Let's fix the rotation. Let's fix it. Let's try to do it from here, and when he's here, rotation changes a little bit, like this one. Yeah. Also this other one. So that's one thing that Blake doesn't do, that you need a lot. So let's position this here and this here, and let's try to sorry, it's rotation, and let's go here. Yeah, I like that. Was let's see. Let's take a look. Sorry. I know I have this one playing in my head. Okay. Let's do this one more time. And go. Yeah. Yeah. I like it. Okay, go. Let's go. That's one scene. We are missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scenes. Okay, I did this one, but I will do it later. So I will take a little break and I'll be back to stream gaming. So don't miss it. I'll be here to share with you this awesome journey that is starting. See you in a minute.